Sheela Nayak and I have come for Prudent's Panch Pakwan Karyakram, and in that we'll be showing you a very simple dish which is called Yogiratna, and I'll tell you something about Yogiratna. It's called by that name because it has all the vegetables which are available. Some things which are not available we can always switch over to the other thing, but this is normally served at temples for their normal meals and all that, and people love it because it's coconut based item. Now we'll see how it is prepared, what are the ingredients on that. First one is dudhi, it's cut in smaller pieces, then potato, then beans, then it is capsicum, green one, yellow one and red one. Then only 3 green chilies and a few carrots pieces, then bibbo or cashew nut as the season permits us. Once we have cooked with this, we put salt and keep it aside. Then we turn to coconut milk. We mix the coconut milk and then again give it a boil. After that, we are going to give seasoning for the same dish. This is coconut oil, and in that we put some mustard, we put some curry patta, and then some jeera and some haldi. And then we boil it again so that ingredients are well taken care of. So that's the way it is prepared, and it's normally, as I told you, it's served in the temples as a favorite dish. I told you about the ingredients, but sometimes during this season, some of the items are not available. For example, kuwado or the nirponas, which I could not get, but they are replaced with the cashew nuts, they are replaced with the colored capsicum, as well as, but the seasoning remains the same, only coconut milk is added to all this once it's boiled, and later on there is a seasoning for this. That's all about this, and it's normally served in the temples as one of the dishes. Now we'll go ahead and prepare the dishes as per the tradition, or whatever we have got it here, we'll make use of the best. Now we are going to do the seasoning with all the ingredients here, which are mustard, curry patta, jeera and last haldi. And then we add coconut milk as well as all the ingredients. 3 spoons of coconut oil, and same here, 3 spoons of mustard, little bit of jeera, about 3 spoons with a small spoon. Then curry patta, and once the mustard splatters, then we put haldi also. Once the mustard splatters, then we take oil, haldi, and put 2 spoons of haldi. Once that assimilates, we will put all the ingredients which are cooked already. I have put them together, and the coconut milk, so that we get it all together. Now the coconut milk. Wait for it to boil for some time. It's taken the color, the entire thing has taken the color of haldi. And the last thing we are going to do is boil it and cover it and leave it for some more time. In the meanwhile, I will tell you about the carrots are cut in smaller pieces, then capsicum, green, red and yellow. And then we have, instead of bibbo, we used cashew nuts. Then we used potatoes, some thin beans, long beans. All these ingredients will make it a good. Plus, the last thing I added was coconut milk, which I extracted. And now you can have a good dish. Let us wait for a few minutes, then we can have a good dish. Then we are cooking all these things together, all the vegetables, coconut milk and salted vegetables. Everything we are cooking together, and then it's ready for serving. It's about 10 minutes cooking with 1200 centigrades. So it will take about 5 to 10 minutes in the medium or high. Now looking at the vegetables, you can either put it in the cooker for one whistle, you can remove it, leave it there for 5-10 minutes to settle down, or if you are doing it otherwise, cook all the vegetables so you can see that they are not overcooked or some are left with not cooking. So you can do this exercise only once so that you can put it off, and then you can add the coconut milk and then the fourni of this, seasoning of this. See, about cooking this vegetables outside the pressure cooker, you can have a look at it, and they should not be overcooked. It should be directly cooked for once and then put salt, mix it well and keep it. Because if it is overcooked again with the coconut milk, you will have to do it, and that time it may lose its taste. Milk may start curdling up. For all that, I am taking this particular reason, I am keeping the ladles by my side so that we keep on stirring it as and when we want. This dish is specially called Yogiratna because yogis can eat it without onion and garlic, and it's a very Sattvic type of ingredient. Hardly 2 or 3 green chilies have been just cut and put into this, so you can eat it anytime. It's not too spicy, it's not bad for health. Everything is in this dish is eatable by normal human beings, and especially the yogis, because it doesn't contain what they don't like. Now that it's almost ready, we are going to serve the dish. We are going to keep it covered for some time, and then it will rest and become normal with all the ingredients in it. So we are waiting for that to settle down. I am stirring it so that it becomes all in one. All ingredients are there. It's almost ready for serving. So let us wait and see how it turns out. Now that it's ready, let us see how it is turned out to be, and we'll taste it and see. Now that we have successfully made this dish, you can try it at home because it's very easy ingredients, and let us know what is your comment on this, whether it is good enough or at a short time you can make it. So I feel that you will have very good comments about the same dish. Okay, now Yogiratna is ready, and now we'll try to show you how to make a garlic chutney as a supplement to Yogiratna. Because it does not contain, Yogiratna does not contain any onion or garlic. We are using this with garlic so that it can supplement and taste very well. So we use it with a lot of coconut, that is 1 cup full of coconut, then 3 or 4 Kashmiri chilies, or even up to 8 you can use because it is sweeter coconut, and then put some salt, and last garlic pieces. I have made the garlic pieces raw and I'll be adding it last. But if somebody wants it, they can even fry the garlic with ghee and then use it as a supplement to Yogiratna or Paz. It can be eaten very well with the chapatis, any other dish like bread sandwich, or even the best combination is with eating with Paz. So you try at home and come and tell us how you like it or whether any change can be made in that. Okay, now we'll start making garlic chutney, which has lot of coconut in that. And then I'll add some red chilies, which are Kashmiri chilies. You can, as I already told you, you can increase the volume of from 4 to 8 also you can put, because Kashmiri chilies are not very hot. Then I add garlic. This garlic is not fried, it's a raw garlic. You can also use fried garlic with little 1 spoon of ghee. You can fry it and add it to that, it may give a better flavor. We'll add garlic to that, which is raw and not fried one. You can fry the garlic also, which may give a better flavor. And we'll see how it turns out to be. Okay, in the beginning I didn't put more water because its coconut is already moist and we want to see how much is required exactly for this. Now I have added a little bit of water. Let us see how it turns out to be. The water which I put is more than enough, so I won't add any more water. I'll just grind it for one more time. This I want to check now how it is. I'm asking my friends to check it for me. I hope it's better. As a वास last grinding and last that it's a good product. Final product is excellent. You all watch, you all do it at home and tell us how you like it. Let us taste it now and see how the taste is. I'm sure it smells good. It must be tasting good also. I have taken it out. Now that it's completely ready, we'll taste it and see. You can try it at home and see how it is, and you can make a comment at Prudent Media. Thank you so much.